What is up, Pyro Nation? We are here with another demo for you today. This is from Blackmarket Fireworks. This is their GANGSTER series. This is 200 shots, fast trigger. There's your performance, 200 shot, the best 200 gram sprinkler cake on the market. Sure to impress. It is smaller side, so I'm curious to see what the 200 shots look like. So let's pop the hood on it. And there we go. Wow, 3, 6, 9. Wow, is that 20? 200 shot. 3, 6, 9, 10. 6, 9, 10. That's a 100 shot. Looks like a 100 shot to me, right? 3, 6, 9, 10. 3, 6, 9. 10 times 10 is 100. So I'm not sure if this should be saying a 200 shot. Huh. Alright, well, maybe there's a double shot inside of it. I don't know. But anyways, that is your 200 shot fast trigger GANGSTER series Blackmarket Fireworks. Let's go check it out. Fast trigger.